गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास 10th स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम सोशल साइंस की ज्योग्राफी का चैप्टर नंबर 1 रिसोर्स एंड डेवलपमेंट के एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चंस करने जा रहे हैं। मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टाइप्स ऑफ रिसोर्सेज इज आयरन ओर नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स? अंडर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टाइप ऑफ रिसोर्सेज कैन टाइडल एनर्जी बी पुट? It's replenishable. Which one of the following is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab? It's over irrigation. In which of the following states is the terrace cultivation practiced? Uttarakhand. In which one of the following states is the black soil found? Gujarat. Answer the following questions in about 30 words. Name three states having black soil and the crop which is mainly grown in it. The black soil are black in color. These are also known as regal soils. This soil is typical in the Deccan Trap basalt region spread over northwest Deccan Plateau. They cover the plateaus of Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and extend in a southeast direction along the Godavari and the Krishna valleys. Black soil is ideal for growing cotton. What type of soil is found in the river deltas of the eastern coast? Give three main features of this type of soil. Alluvial soil is found in the eastern coastal plain, is particularly in the deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari, the Krishna, the Kaveri rivers. Three main features of this type of soil are as follows. Alluvial soil consists of various proportion of sand, silt and clay. These soils are very fertile. Due to its high fertility, regions of alluvial soils are intensively cultivated and densely populated. These soils contain an adequate portion of potash, phosphoric acid, and lime, which are ideal for the growth of sugarcane, paddy, wheat, and other cereal and pulse crops. What steps can be taken to control soil erosion in the hilly areas? The soil erosion in the hilly areas can be controlled by taking steps as mentioned below. Contour plowing. Plowing along the contour lines can decelerate the flow of water down the slopes. This is called contour plowing. Terrace cultivation. Steps can be cut out on the slopes, making terraces. Terrace cultivation restricts erosion. Strip cropping. Large fields can be divided into strips. Strips of grass are left to grow between the crops. This break up the force of the wind. This is strip cropping. What are biotic and abiotic resources? Give some examples. Biotic resources are obtained from the biosphere and have life, such as human beings, flora and fauna, fisheries, livestock, etc. Forests and animals are biotic resources. Abiotic resources consist of all those things which are composed of non-living things, for example, rocks and metals. Land, water, and soil are also abiotic resources. Answer the following questions in about 120 words. Explain land use pattern in India and why has the land under forest not increased much since 1960 to 61. Land resources in India are primarily divided into agricultural land, forest land, pasture and grazing land, and wasteland. Wasteland includes rocky, arid, and desert areas, and land used for non agricultural purposes like housing, roads, industry, etc. According to recent data available, the percentage of net sown area NSA in India is about 54% of the total reporting area. If the other then current fallow land is included, 22.5% is covered by forests and 3.45 is used for grazing. The rest is a wasteland with traces of miscellaneous cultivation. Improper use of forest land has led to land degradation and made conservation of forests difficult. Human activities like deforestation, overgrazing, mining, quarrying, etc. have contributed to the slow growth of forests. Thus, land under forest has increased by only about 4% since 1960 to 61. How have technical and economical development led to more consumption of resources? The following factors have been responsible for technical and economic development leading to the overconsumption of resources. In colonial times, imperial powers used their technological and economic superiority to establish control over other countries and thereby gain access to the latter's resources. Our country's resources are accessible to the citizens of its colonial ruler too, leading to increased consumption. Technical progress also results in inefficient machinery, increased production, and greater consumption of resources. Technological development and economic progress have led to population increasing due to low mortality at all ages. With new developments in medicine and healthcare, fewer people die due to accidents, diseases, childbirth, etc. This too has contributed to high consumption of resources. ये आपके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स यहीं पे ख़त्म होते हैं। थैंक यू बच्चों। इससे रिलेटेड कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो आप मेरे को मैसेज कर सकते हैं, कॉल कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू। हैव अ नाइस डे।